Back now. In this video you will simply start working on the password. So let's create a text form field for the password right below this email. First we will give some size box right in here, and height will be 5, not too much, and here const modifier. So now right down below in here you will have a text form field. Now right in there, like we set the properties for the emails, it will be also similar right in here, but a few things will be changed in it. So in here you will type it text input action, text input action. We'll go with the dot next, as I told you before about that, and the focus node will be the pass focus node that we created and also for the email. So in here we also use that. It's gonna simply change the focus. Right after keyboard type, so in here text input type, and it's gonna be the visible password. And also the control we didn't create it yet. Let's go and create that right at top. Let me small this and also this one, so that we can see the code more easily. So right down at the top in here below this email controller you will create it for password one. Okay, so final text editing controller, we will say pass, this means password, text controller. Now in here text editing controller, and there will be the text, the empty string. So we are done with the password text controller. Now we will go down and use that right in this control. So we are done with the controller, and also we will make the password obscure. So what we will do, we will simply go right at top and create a bool type obscure text. So in here we will say bool type obscure, text. We will set it to true, and also right at start and the final. Let's go down. Now right after this pass text controller we will say obscure text, not obscure text. So basically that line of code will simply change the password dynamically. I will add a comment also in here, change it dynamically. Right after there's going to be a validator like we said for the email. So whenever the user will enter the password, it's going to be right inside that value. And let's move further. Now we're going to check that value in which there will be a password. So if the value is empty, and also the OR operator, if the value dot length, if it's less than 7, and in that case we will say something like please enter a valid password. So it's going to be that text. If the value is empty, or also if the value length will be less than 7, then we will show this text that please enter a valid password. So right after else we will return nothing, so there will be no. All good. Now let's press the Ctrl S and see the output. There we go. I hope you guys can see the output. It's a black line. There we go. Okay, now it's blue. Now we will do some styling like we did for the email. So for the time saving, we will go up and simply copy that style. So simply copy it from this style to this input decoration. Copy it simply and go down. First write in here foot comma, and then in here paste it. So we will change this to password, the hint tags, and all the style will be same. Now the one thing that we will add is simply the visibility icon, from which we will simply visible the password or we will opt the visibility. So for that, writing this decoration, what we will do, we will simply say suffix icon, in which we will have a gesture detector, because this will contain the on tap event. So the user will be simply tap on the visibility icon. So in here, that's why we use the gesture detector. So write in the on tap. So it's a stateful widget. So in here we will say systat and here we will say obscure text. Simply set it to the non-obscure text. As you guys know, now we add this suffix icon, in which there is a gesture detector and all the working as I tell you. So this input decoration will not be constant anymore, so we will remove that const from here, so the red line will be gone. Then there we go. Okay, and in here add the const modifier, so the yellow line will be gone then. And the code will be clean. There we go. Okay, now let's check this error, what they say. So make a field obscure text, not a final. Let me check that. So let's smack it in here, then the error will be gone. Down. So this one, let me check now. So that's fine now. And the error has been gone already. Right after, let's add the icon. So in here you will say child icon. Right in the icon you will say obscure text. Then you will say if icon dot visibility. It's gonna be that one, visible. Okay, and in case of if it's not visible, then we will show another icon which will be visibility of that one, and we will also set the color. Colors will be white, so it's gonna be more visible. Now simply we will press the Ctrl S and check the output. There we go with the output. Okay, there is a visible icon for now. Let's tap on it and it's off now. The visibility is off. So in here now I will enter some password, let's say, and as you guys can see the password is in dotted form because we off the visibility. And now if I tap back on that, the password will be visible. There we go. Okay, just tap on it and you guys will notice the output. That's why in here right in the icon add that it's gonna be the obscure tags. So in the if condition we set the visibility, and in the else condition we simply off the visibility, and you guys can see right in here it's working totally fine. Let me remove that password and there is a hint tags password. All good. As I told you before, this will change it dynamically as we added the comment before, and you guys already noticed the result. It's working totally fine. Okay, there we go, and all of the thing is done for the password. So that's it for this video. Right in the next video you will work further right from here.